So in this video here, we're going to take a look at how we can use cloud phones and also handle multi-social media accounts at the same time on a centralized platform. So we have everything in one place, and if you're a social media marketing company or handling multiple accounts, social media manager, this is the tool for you. So let's just jump straight into it. I'll open up the multi-login website here. They have an app. We can also just install the multi-login desktop app. So you can either use the web app or the desktop app. So what I've created here is pretty much just a phone. We can just open it up. You have a cloud phone available. You can log into social media accounts. They have proxies, VPNs, and all of that taken care of. So it's one of the best systems out there for anti-detection and also just being able to log in from the locations that you want with your social media. So you can think of it as pretty much just as renting a phone in the cloud. So it's very scalable if you want to do something on a phone or multiple phones instead of having like a lot of phones laying around here. Like me, I can handle all of it through just the cloud phones that I can spin up with multi-login. This is pretty cool. While it's setting it up here, it's pretty much just going to pull all the information and then I have the phone available. So while it's doing that, we can just go in and create a new one as well. You can scale it to as many as you want, and you can have multiple different folders where you have this centralized dashboard and fleet management system. So now we can see that our phone is up and running. We can go in here. We have everything set up. There we go. I have YouTube and Instagram installed on my phone, and you can see all the different buttons that you can click on. So you pretty much just have a phone in the cloud connected in the exact location that you want. And to be able to create a new one, we can just call it YouTube 2. You can have a number of profiles that you can set up. This is very, very good if you're a social media manager handling multiple social media accounts, or even just for me, being able to have multiple phones in the cloud that I can just go in, connect to. I can have everything through the API documentation. They also have the technical documentation where you can do everything through as well. So you can use it as an AI backend system. The AI agents, it can connect to it as well. And you can pretty much just set up all of them with the backend APIs. So we're going to take a look at that in just a second, but let me just set the use case. So YouTube, you can set up different tags, so you can sort based on your tags that you've set up if you're at a very large scale. So let me just check here. YouTube, you can enter a short note, so just YouTube test 2. You can specify a folder. You can create multiple folders if you're handling different types of influencers, if you're handling different companies, departments, or even just for your own usage. You can have a folder for each of them. So for the proxy, you can use multi-login. It's not really gonna be detected. Very good anti-detection system. It uses very good proxies. It has residential IPs, uses that instead of just server IPs. Usually if you're just using any other tool out there, either for like just computers, GPUs, CPUs, phone usage, they will get a data center API. Now here we can get residential proxies. This is very, very important. You can of course bring your own custom one here. You can also set up template, but let's just use this for multi-login. We're gonna have our mobile. You can also set up static API if you need that, and you can specify all these different locations here. So let me just go with Denmark, for example. Then we can specify the region. Let's go capital region, and we're going to go for Copenhagen. So I want to set up my phone based on out of Copenhagen, so I can pretty much log in from any country and city in the world, or at least close to, and you can have your accounts in there too. So you can both open it up in the browser and on the phone through the same location, because you're probably gonna get blocked or your account gonna get locked if you're logging in from all different types of locations at the same time on the same platform. And you're just charged per minute that you're using the phone here. So when you're not using it, you're not paying, and you can just spin it up. It's available in 10 seconds and you can start use your phones. You can check the proxy just to check if we actually have connection to it. You can specify which ISP you're using as well, and we can see our proxy check has passed. So this is the state and province that we're using. We have the ISP. You can choose the Android version that you want to use, and also if you want a specific brand of the device. So these are just Android devices in the cloud that you can access. So the rest here, I'm pretty much good to go with that. I'm just gonna go with a random device, and you can create it, and pretty much just in a few seconds you have everything available. So we still have this other phone here running. You can always open it up both on phone, but you can also go up at the top into the browser view, so you can do the exact same things, create browser profiles, you can have your mobile profiles, everything centralized in one dashboard. So if we go in here to our mobile again, we can spin up our second YouTube 2 device, and both of them is just gonna run here. We can open up all of them that we want. So this is how you can manage all different types of phones running in the cloud. It both works here in the app, which I'm using, but it also works in the web app. So it's pretty much up to yourself. And if we go up here at the top, we have the API. You can see they have a few tutorials on the YouTube channel as well. Everything will be down in the description, so you can just grab it directly there. So they have Postman set up for all the backend systems. Everything that you can do through the UI is just the backend endpoints, and they also exposed here with the API. You can run it in Postman, so you can test it out by yourself. But you can also just take this documentation here, as I did for setting up my profiles. Take this documentation, feed it into Cloud Code, Codex, or whatever tool that you're using, and it can actually build out the systems for you, the workflows, and then you pretty much just have a social media managing tool. It can handle anything, all accounts, all phones. You can do it all programmatically and also with AI agents. So you can see you have some launchers, so you can launch all the different browser profiles, you can launch mobile profiles, you can validate the proxies, cookie imports and all that, profile access management. Everything can be done through the backend too. This is pretty easy. Just want to show you guys, you have all the example requests and everything. So this is just candy for AI agents. They will be able to go through all of it. You don't even need to be a developer, but you can set up your workflows by just feeding this documentation into Cloud Code, tell it what workflows, what integrations, what features do you want to have in your system, and you can act like just build out your own custom system as well that is integrating with the multi-login API and this system. So then you can have full flexibility on your end. It's scalable. You can just scale it to as many devices as you want, and you're just paying per minute that you're spending. So now we have this phone here. If you go to the right, we can see you have YouTube and Instagram as before, and the other phone doesn't have anything. So what we can do is just go down to the apps in the bottom left corner. You can see all apps here available on our Android phone. So we can search for YouTube. There we go. We can install it. It's gonna take here 10-20 seconds while it's installing. We can take Instagram, and you can install all the apps here that you want. Let's just take Instant Card instead, so we have a bit of difference, but any app here can be installed. So this is pretty cool. You can divide them into the folders. So again, I just had the default folder, but you can add any folder that you want directly here. You can see profile templates, you can have proxy templates, but one of the most cool things is pretty much just this anti-detection with the residential IPs. So it's pretty much just having the location that you're specifying. You can have different extensions, all these things here you can add. So Web Store, Chrome, Web Store, Firefox, add-on URLs. You can have it locally. You can also have it in the cloud. So they have a few more features. You can add team members to your team if you're a larger team, but all these things here is very easy to handle as a single worker, especially if you combine it with AI agents and working together with that, with the documentation. So you can check out everything will be down in the description here. If you're working with your phones, if you have multiple phones laying around like me, signed into different profiles, traveling around the world, you just want to be signed into one location, you're managing multiple social media accounts, your social media manager or something else where a cloud phone can be relevant, this is a pretty cool tool. Again, everything is down in the description. So hope to see you guys in one of the upcoming videos. Until then, happy learning.